Hey guys, hope you're doing well out there. Just wanted to pop on and answer some questions that have been forwarded my way about this pluperfect subjunctive stuff. The question I had was, which one do I use, the hubiera or the hubiese? But before I explain that, let's just take a quick look at what this is all about. This is the past tense subjunctive, and basically you're saying had. Okay, so all these words here mean had. Hubiera, hubieras, hubiera, etc. And then you have the alternate version, hubiese, hubieses, hubiese, etc. Okay, so if you remember what the imperfect subjunctive lesson a while back, we had these two sets of endings. Either one is correct. It doesn't matter which one you use. It's just a matter of preference. So you can either say that I had would be hubiera or hubiese. It doesn't really matter. The more common endings are the ones that end in ra, ras, ra, ramos, rais, ran. And the other endings end in se. You'll see both. This is the more common, and this is the set I use when I communicate. So which one do you use? It doesn't matter. Both are correct. So you just pick which one you want to use, and that'll be fine. But basically what you're doing here is you're saying had in a subjunctive scenario, meaning when the outcome was uncertain, okay? Or where there was emotion. Here's an example. It was impossible that she had lied to her parents. In Spanish, you would say, no fue posible que ella hubiera mentido a sus padres. The hubiera means had, and then mentido means lied. So you're going to follow this with the past participle, the ado, ido ending. So you got your had, and then your past participle. And that's basically how it works. So for today's lesson, you're just going to come over here and translate these, okay? So let's do the first one as an example. It says, I was very sorry that I had not seen you. So you're going to say, to be sorry is sentir, to feel. So sentí mucho. And put an accent on that I. Sentí mucho. And then that would be que. And then that I had not seen you. Here's our pluperfect subjunctive part. So we're going to start with the you part. So that's going to be expressed with te. And then had will come next. I had. So I'm going to say hubiera. Okay. And then I've got you and had. Now I say seen. That's my past participle from ver. Visto. Oops. Let's put that in the right spot here. Visto. Sentí mucho que no te hubiera visto. And that's basically it. So just work on translating these. Do the best you can. I hope you're doing well out there. And if you have any more questions, shoot them my way. And yeah, be safe. Adios.